Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the top low light point and shoot cameras of 2023. We've researched and tested various models to bring you the best of the best. Whether you're a beginner or a professional photographer, these cameras offer exceptional performance in low light situations, making them ideal for capturing stunning shots in any environment. From improved sensor technology to advanced image stabilization, we'll be diving into the features and benefits of each camera, so stick around to find out which one is the perfect fit for you. Number 1. Canon Digital SLR Body EOS 80D. The Canon Digital SLR Body EOS 80D is a versatile camera that's perfect for photographers looking to step up their game. It features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and a 45-point all-cross type autofocus system, allowing you to capture incredibly detailed images and focus on your subject with ease. One of the standout features of this camera is its ability to shoot at 7 frames per second, making it perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects like sports or wildlife. The Vari-Angle touchscreen LCD also allows you to shoot from different angles and preview your shots. The Canon EOS 80D is also equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, making it easy to transfer your photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet. It also has a microphone jack and headphone jack, which are essential for shooting videos with high-quality audio. Overall, the Canon Digital SLR Body EOS 80D is an excellent camera that's compatible with a wide range of lenses, allowing you to customize your setup to your specific needs. As an Amazon affiliate, you can purchase this camera through our affiliate link and take your photography to the next level. Number 2. Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera 4 Kelvin. The Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera 4 Kelvin is a professional-grade camera that's perfect for filmmakers and videographers looking for high-quality footage. It features a 4:3 image sensor with 4096 by 2160 resolution, allowing you to capture stunning, cinematic footage with ease. One of the standout features of this camera is its ability to shoot in RAW format, which provides maximum flexibility in post-production. It also has a 13-stop dynamic range, allowing you to capture detail in both shadows and highlights. The Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera 4 Kelvin also has a built-in 5-inch touchscreen display that allows you to adjust your settings, preview your shots, and play back your footage. It also has a mini XLR input with 48V phantom power and a full-size HDMI connector, making it easy to connect external microphones and monitors. Overall, the Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera 4 Kelvin is a professional-grade camera that's perfect for filmmakers and videographers looking for high-quality footage. As an Amazon affiliate, you can purchase this camera through our affiliate link and take your videography to the next level. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix FC10004 Kelvin. The Panasonic Lumix FC10004 Kelvin is an advanced camera that's perfect for photographers and videographers looking for high-quality results. It features a 20.1 megapixel MOS sensor and a 16x optical zoom, allowing you to capture detailed images and get up close to your subject with ease. One of the standout features of this camera is its ability to shoot 4 Kelvin video, allowing you to capture stunning, cinematic footage. It also has a 5-axis hybrid optical image stabilizer that reduces camera shake and produces smooth, steady footage. The Panasonic Lumix FC10004 Kelvin also has a built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, making it easy to transfer your photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet. It also has a Vari-Angle LCD display that allows you to shoot from different angles and preview your shots. Overall, the Panasonic Lumix FC10004 Kelvin is a versatile camera that's perfect for anyone looking to take their photography or videography to the next level. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped out in any way, please give the vital like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.